Our team really cares about each other. We work together, and that makes it special and makes you feel like you're part of a team and you're part of a family because you're building a home for families.
Everybody trusts everybody. We work together well. I believe that so much that I live in an America's Home Place home. I knew who did it. I knew I could trust it. And trust is really what it comes down to, right? I mean, if you can trust somebody to do something and you're spending that amount of money, then that's big.
It's a great atmosphere. I mean, I get along well with all the people. All the people are super friendly. Their attitude with their work, and that was one of the main reasons that I came to work here.
I believe I've stayed with America's Home Place so long because I love the work that I've been doing. I always feel that America's Home Place has the best interest in their employees as well as their homeowners.
I think we have such a great reputation because we stand by our homes. You can see that in our reviews, you can see that in our referrals, and you can see it in our community participation. We really believe in being part of something bigger.